All right, what we're gonna be doing here is putting this on my truck. It's 2015. Got it from Amazon. Gonna do it with just this right here, and it's gonna be done in a half hour. Okay, well here we go. First thing you do is you find these mountain bolts. And you put these little plastic right here. A little tough to do as I'm on the ground. Put these little plastic things on the nuts here, and then we'll go from there. Locate the front and back. There's 3 each on each side. Put the little plastic things on. Well, what I did was I got everything in there loose, right? See, everything's in there loose, and just go tighten these up back behind there, and then we should be done. One side done anyway. There you go. Wasn't much to it. Now to get to the other side.